Yes, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday the 17th of August 2018. This is just my daily video where I go over what I have done on the daily charts on both the high probability and the mod MACD trading methods. Very busy morning this morning, so let's get into it. We'll start off with the high probability daily charts. New Zealand, Swiss franc, daily. New buy trade taken here, high risk, have regular bullish divergence. You can see lower lows on price and higher low on the MACD platinum, long way below the zero level. MAs are down, high risk trade, took a buy there. New Zealand, Swiss franc. Euro, Swiss franc. I'm in a sell here. I've moved my stop down this morning because I've got a new buy signal. So I've moved my stop and my sell down to 1.13867, and I've taken a new buy here this morning. There's a stop at there, again regular bullish divergence, MACD at below the zero level, took the buy. It's a high risk trade, the MAs are heading down. It gives me a partial hedge with the way it is at the moment, but that's all good. That's Euro Swiss. And we can always slow down these videos or speed them up. New Zealand, Japanese yen. In a sell here this morning, there's a new blue dot on the MACD platinum. All I've done is move my stop down to 73,793. So just locking in a bit of profit on that sell trade. No buy traders yet, as there's no indication of a QMP dot. So New Zealand yen, just moved the stop down on the sell. Pound Swiss, similar to the New Zealand yen, new blue dot on MACD platinum. In a sell from back here, move my stop down 1.27454. So just move my stop down on my pound Swiss. Just look at my notes as I do this, make sure I'm on track. Yep. AusCAD. Took a new buy this morning, again high risk trade. We've got regular bullish divergence. Probably the MACD is not that far below the zero level, but you know it's still divergence there. You can see lower prices, lower lows on price, higher lows on the MACD platinum. High risk again. MAs are down. So it's AusCAD new buy. Euro NZ, still in this buy from back here. Stops here for that. This morning I took a new sell. Regular bearish divergence, as you can see here. I know the MACD is close to the zero level. That's not such a big deal though. It's because of this divergence. And I've got a partial hedge. I've got half a trade on the buy and a full trade on the sell. So I've got a partial hedge there. This stop is above this previous high, and you can see it's a fairly significant high if you look left on the chart when you zoom out a bit. So that's the Euro New Zealand in a new sell this morning. And New Zealand CAD took a new buy this morning, again high risk trade. This is my second go at this one. Stop in place against MAs. MAs are heading down. Regular bullish divergence, again same deal, same as all the other ones. Seems to be, it all seems to be high risk trades at the moment, but that's the way it is. All right, let's move over to the mod MACD charts. Looks like a few of these pairs, the Aussie, I think pound, probably even maybe euro, a few of them look like they're starting to turn a bit. They have, and even the New Zealand, I think they've all had a fair drop. So it might just be time for some sort of consolidation. All right, we're in the mod MACD. Fair bit happening here. Most of it is stop adjustment, so we'll just go through it quickly. Pound yen, just move my stop down. It'll be the black dotted line on the mod MACD charts, 145,693. Just going to keep it above the 25 SMA, locking in profit. In a sell, obviously. Euro CAD in a sell, same deal. Moved the stop down this morning, 152,162. Just locking in profit there. Euro Swiss, same deal, stop move down to 1.15434, just locking in profit. NZ yen in a sell, moved the stop down to 75.066 this morning, just locking in profit. And these stops will be probably adjusted as time goes on. All right, new trade. Would you believe the USD Swiss franc took a new buy trade this morning? It's with the 240 LMA, but again, the problem is that black line. That thick black line is parity, 1.000. I've got on about it many times before. Got a confirmed cross on the fast MACD. Standard MACD is a little bit ugly, but we've still got a green QMP filter dot, and we're closed above the 25 SMA. So it meets all the criteria. The only issue is it's got to get through that black line. And the thing is, if the Euro's going up and the Swiss is going up, one of them's wrong normally. But we'll see how we go. So we're in a buy, Swiss franc. Pound USD, sell back here, stop move down this morning to below the entry level at 1.30637. So just locking in profit. Euro yen, another stop sell, stop move down to 129.592, just locking in profit on the euro yen sell trade. Pound Swiss, sell trade back here, locking in profit, move the stop down 1.29910. Oz Swiss in a sell, I've closed another 0.1 this morning, and stops being moved down to 73429. So I'm just taking a little bit more profit off the table here. It looks like it's turning a bit. Big bullish candle yesterday, and the standard MACD is looking a little bit ugly, so just taking a little bit more profit and moving my stop down. And same can be said about the Aussie yen. I closed another 0.01, the bullish candle yesterday, and stop moved down to 82.409. Pound CAD in a sell back here, just moved my stop down this morning to 1.71215, just locking in some profit. And New Zealand CAD is the last one, another one that I'm going to sell back here, stop move down to 0.88485, again just locking in profit. So most of the stuff on the mod MACD, other than the Swiss franc, is just trade management. High probability of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new trades, all high risk. Never ends these high risk trades, but I'm going to take them. So when I say high risk, they're normally counter trend and looking for reversals, or at least a decent pullback. So that's it, guys. It's a Friday. I'll get onto the little bit behind with my updating in that. I slept in for about 3/4 of an hour, and I've got my 4-hour charts and screenshots to catch up from last night still. I'll get onto the spreadsheets and prepare the screenshots, and I'll chat later. So if you like these videos, please subscribe, and if nothing else, hit the like button. Have a good day. Cheers.